My name is Tansi Underwood. This is my second time here, and I'm getting my pellet. I noticed that I was in premenopause probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and that's when it started hitting me. I was crazy. I didn't know if I wanted to kill somebody or if I wanted to kill myself. I mean, I was in that middle part to where I didn't know exactly which way I was going. I mean, because my hormones were so out of control, I didn't like the way I was feeling. I didn't like the way I was the way I was treating people, but I had no control of it because it was like my hormones they were out of whack. And I even went to my doctor, my gynecologist, and asked him, hey, is there anything you can do to help me with this? I mean, I'm serious. I'm either going to kill somebody or I'm going to wind up killing myself. And it was just like it didn't bother them. So that's when I started looking for a hormone therapist, and I found this place. They would say something and I would snap at them, or I'd cuss them out, or, and they're just like, you ain't acting like yourself, Tansi. I said, my hormones are so out of whack right now. I said, the best thing you do is just leave me be. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but this is just me right now. Honestly, it goes into your system a lot quicker than it would if you was taking just the medication like pills or whatever. It gets in your blood flow, and within a couple of days you start feeling completely different. You're like, whoa, I feel like I used to be. But with the pet, if you took the pills or like just the cream or whatever, you don't really notice it as quick. Because I've even tried that before. I recommend the pellets to anybody. I tell everybody. I mean, all the women that I know that's going through menopause or having hormone issues, hey, check out the pellets. I mean, they're well worth it. The procedure wasn't too bad. I mean, they numb you. You don't really realize what's going on. You can feel a little bit of pressure, but overall, it didn't hurt. It's a little sore after the numbness comes out, but it's not something that, you're in bodily pain. I mean, it's just like maybe where you maybe scratched yourself or something and you got like a nick. But after a couple of days, you feel better. I felt pretty good. It took probably a couple of days where it started seeping in, but yeah, I started starting to feel like my normal self again. And the guys at work were starting to notice, after probably a week or two, they're like, okay, you're coming back to yourself again. What did you do? I said, I went and took care of my hormones.